What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Air Jordan 5 Retro Bluebirds. Let's go.
All right, so looking at these in hand, these things are insane. These things are so nice. I just love everything about them. They didn't come in anything special of the tip. They just came in a typical Jordan 5 box. But looking at this shoe in hand, these things are beautiful. I definitely love the suede upper that they have. And sadly, they don't come with any different type of lace swaps. So you are looking at just the basic baby blue. But if you are deciding to change it up, we are offering some laces. I picked out one of the gray colorways that we do. And personally, I think the gray would just match the midsole and just kind of make even the blue pop out a little bit more. So if you're interested in that, definitely check the link in our bio. But looking at the shoe and overall, these things are super clean and very high quality. But what's your thoughts on these?
Oh yeah, definitely a super nice Air Jordan 5 shoe. You can see where the Bluebird name comes from with that kind of blue kind of cover in the shoe, but the gray on these is where it also makes these look super nice. You got that metallic silver kind of on the side with that gray on the tongue. Kind of the gray and the blue color combo. It pairs really nicely on this Air Jordan 5 model, but overall rating these 1 to 5, what are you going to give it?
This is an easy 5 out of 5 for me. Personally, I wouldn't change anything about this shoe. Like I said before, it's super high quality materials are used. I love the icy bottom outsole, and yeah, so it's an easy 5 out of 5 for me. But what's your rating?
Yeah, so I'm not a huge fan of the Air Jordan 5 model, but even in spite of that, these are going to get an easy 5 out of 5 from me because, like you said, the details go crazy. That suede upper is super nice. I'm a North Carolina Tar Heel fan, so I'm always going to be partial to that like kind of baby blue colorway, but this Air Jordan 5 just came out super clean. I would definitely rock this shoe, but that's actually going to wrap up our unboxing for the Air Jordan 5 Retro Bluebird. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch. And if you're interested in purchasing these shoes, we're going to leave a link below in the description for you.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And while you're there, feel free to give yourself a rating from 1 to 5. Until next time.
Peace.